Okay, so I will be talking about how to, sorry about the background, how to record, or not how to record, how to cheat items in Torchlight II, cheating or things like this. So, how to browser, download, or not download, it should be just um, so, I think it's download, documents, yeah, my games, unit games, Torchlight 2, I can't remember, let's see, settings. So we just go back and can see what I did. So documents, then my games, unit games, Torchlight 2, save, and whatever your save number is, because it's completely different depending on the person. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. Some people confuse that, like with whatever video they've watched, they have to be exactly that number or that number, but it's fine. Now my characters, go to settings, go to console. This console is what you like computer and things. It's like a keyboard thing. So make sure that it's at 1. It'll default to 0, so you're gonna want to just like erase the 0 and put it at a 1. Oh, not 12. If you do like anything other than 1 or 2 or 1 or 0, it'll skip it. Then file, save. Okay, I'm gonna save. Exit that. Exit this. Open up Torchlight 2. Open without mode. Then resume. Play game. Single player. If it's on the internet, it won't work. It's kind of sad if you want to give anyone else stuff. Okay. This is my glitch character. So you can cheat items. I'll explain that later. But basically, all you need to know is how to exit the console, which press insert on your keyboard. I didn't have a keyboard because I was using a laptop. Then I had to get a keyboard and actually have the insert key on there. And if it's, you have to press shift to do the insert. Like you have to press shift and then something to do the insert. It will not work. So like on my laptop it says shift page down and then on insert. So if I press shift and page down it'll press insert. But it doesn't work. I tried that. Just press insert like this and this big console will pop up. Type in help and a lot of stuff will show up. So quest complete. Make sure you quest complete. Quest complete makes all the quests. Yeah, quest complete makes 1. Make quest complete with an S. With another S, makes it all of them then. Then yeah, log console doesn't do that. You show you some ones that are pretty useful. Okay, so all items, it spawns in all items of a certain type. So all items gold. It'll spawn in a bunch of gold. I glitched mine so it only drops like 3 or 4 or 5 bags of gold, but it'll drop like a lot. Second time. Next thing, reset player level, doesn't matter. Animation speed, that basically is like a leg switch. If you don't know what that is. It just glitches it a lot. But it's like a leg switch, it just makes everything slower. And you at the same speed. Fame gives you fame points. I am a demigod right now. Because I've glitched that. Which is the max you can do. Don't try to go for God, because you can't. Okay. Now, don't worry about stat points right now, because you'll have a lot of stat points that you don't need. You'll still be spending them. But, just do strength, dexterity, magic, and defense. focus to change to magic, vitality, and change to defense. And you can just get a bunch of points for that. The max I think is about like 100,000, but to be safe, like to use without it glitching. This is my crappy computer. You can do whatever you want anyways. But kill all. Kills all enemies. Kills all monsters. And by all monsters, it means all monsters. Like, you will go anywhere in the entire world and there will be nothing. Nothing whatsoever. Ascend and descend goes up and down as well. But, like, if you're on the top of something and you press ascend, it'll, like, glitch you and go into the clouds and you won't be able to. Yeah, you'll be stuck. It's not fun. Where's the Godspeed? That one's fun. It gives you amazing speed. Don't worry about speed when you got Godspeed. So, this is Godspeed. Phoenix or something. And then, that's the difference between that and speed. Wait. Speed. Just a tiny bit slower. You can basically barely tell the difference. But, yeah. Let's see. God makes you, like, I am inevitable. It makes you, so, you can't get killed and you have infinite mana. Help, shows the help menu. Heal us just clears all constant data. So if I press heal us, it doesn't have to be capped or anything. It'll just delete everything. Which is right. And then all this stuff will come back again. And then heal us, and it'll go away. Like, I'll show you what I mean about the ascend and descend thing. No, I won't, actually, because it might get stuck. But yeah, don't get way too much skill points, because you can just max out all this. You can get a lot of health from all the defense. And now I'll show you guys how to get cheated items. So, you're gonna want to head to Chrome, go to a new tab, go to this website, just go here, or doesn't need to be this, it just needs to be just this right here, tiddi.ru. Let me just save this so I can show you where to get from there. Not Russian. I do not know Russian. Oh, it's RU in Russian. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna try RU then. Okay, then, oh my god, once you get to here, you're going to just go show the game, click on Torchlight II, search whatever item. What I usually do is go to sets if I want, like if I want a really good set, like for my, like, Ember Mage or something, I go to the very back. I don't even know what this is. Whatever. Yeah, I think it's items, armor, oh, okay. Items, armor. Yeah, usually it works for such, so, but, yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Yeah, I think it's this one. Why does it only have epic stuff? I don't know. Anyways, we'll figure it out. But, yeah, so basically, you can go items, weapon, two-handed, like, I don't know, yeah. Two-handed swords, you have two-handed swords. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So, if you want this to glitch, just go to the end. Now, these will require an insane amount of stuff. So, like this one, or, yeah, the good ones will be at the beginning, so I forgot about that. Maybe it won't. Okay, so yeah, these ones are the good ones. That's a lot of DPS. So just find the one with the most. This one has amazingly 1,000 something. Click on it. Copy this. Just highlight over that, and then copy. Control C. Alt tab over to Torchlight II again. And then, like, if I just wanted this bow, it'll appear as a mysterious item and you only identify spells, but obviously you can get a lot of those if you have a lot of money, because you have infinite money, basically. But, open up the console, paste that, yeah, paste that, okay, let me try something. Here, I'll just copy it right there. And go here. So, Control V. Yeah, there we go, it works. Huh. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know what it's up, but usually, if you constantly, yeah, that's the right one. For some things it doesn't work, for some things it does, but anyways, depending on what it is, it'll work. Anyways, that's basically how you access the console, and I've gotten all of this stuff from my Ember Bank on here, just from that, so you can do a lot with the console. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video.